Tigers are definitely one of the few big cats that actually enjoy swimming. Since they don't really have well-developed sweat glands, they tend to slow down a bit in hot weather, mainly cooling off by panting and evaporating moisture through their tongues. That's why a lot of zoos build pools for them, so they can chill out in the water during the summer. Sometimes they even get ice cubes to lick, which helps them cool down even more. Come winter, you'll find them lounging lazily in the snow, pretty much like humans enjoying air conditioning. You might notice that tigers raised in captivity don't look as fierce as wild ones. They can even seem a little goofy, or not super sharp, but don't forget, they're still the king of beasts, and they've got a strong sense of territory. Tiger cubs, on the other hand, are absolutely adorable. When they get restless, just curling up in a keeper's arms is enough to calm them down, and they'll stay quietly by your side. Moments like that are enough to melt anyone's heart.